rich bitch. Oh, what she saying? Money too loud, ho, I missed it. You ain't got no bag, feeding my ass. Big dads don't play that shit. Got shooters with me, you don't want smoke, little hoe, better say that shit.
Welcome to my channel. So during this vlog, I'm going to be talking about how I handle my depression. So basically, I have never been fully diagnosed with depression because after going through therapists and stuff like that, they always tell me that they don't think I'm depressed. They just think, you know, I'm going through things, and people go through things and think they're depressed, and that's what caused depression. But to acknowledge that, you know, you're not depressed. So a lot of the things in this video may seem like, oh wow, she has her life together. But no, I have 2 pillows in my bed, and that I don't make up every day, but I try to. I try to make up my dog's bed often. And yeah, I have a skincare routine that I don't stick to. I have a hair care and a vitamin routine that I don't often stick to, but that's okay. I feel like day by day, you know, you just have to keep trying, keep working. I don't know why this is in slow-mo. A lot of the videos are going to be in slow-mo, and I apologize, but that'll just help me get what I need to say out, I guess, in a way. But yes, so I dedicated this whole weekend, Saturday and Sunday, which is combined in this one vlog, to trying to be active and do things. So I ended up doing my makeup, I did my hair, my husband surprised me getting my nails done. I did a lot of yard work, like I did some gardening, which I've grown to love, and I've learned that it does help my depression, which I think is seasonal. And I also did I painted my chairs outside, and a rug in my fireplace came in the mail. So this weekend was definitely very productive. And yeah, so basically how I handle my depression is I have to acknowledge it. So you'll see later in this video, for months, like my vanity that I love so much, I wanted my husband to get me forever. He got it for me, and it's just a mess. And I think that once it gets like that, I choose to like not go back in the room where my vanity is. I choose to not participate in like doing my makeup and doing my hair because I need my vanity for it. And I don't want to acknowledge, like, sometimes when you're depressed, like, you don't want to clean up, you don't want to hold yourself accountable for the things that are wrong or that you know, could fix, that you just mentally don't feel prepared or okay to fix. And honestly, I feel like that's okay. I'm not going to be the person to say, oh, when you feel like that, just get up, just do it. It's easy, because it's not. Like, a lot of times I want to close my blinds, you know, and just be in the dark and lay down and, you know, think for myself. Like, just breathe to myself, think to myself, and that's where I feel the most coziest. And that's not always the best. Like, just because you feel cozier, you know, doing those things, that doesn't mean that it's good for you. I would say give yourself a week, you know, give yourself a week. Try your best to jump out of it. Try your best to keep moving. And that's all you really can do. I mean, I have a regimen, a hair, skin, face, nails regimen that I don't do every day. And sometimes I try to tell myself, you know, thank God when I'm looking out the window. Thank God, you know, for these beautiful mountains, for this beautiful day. It's so sunny outside. It's so warm outside. Thank God for everything that you've given me. You know, my husband is very, 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 very supportive. And whenever I'm sad, you know, he'll say, babe, are you okay? Like, you seem sad. You seem like, you know, you're going through an episode. Oh, also my friend graduated. Sorry. But congratulate my friend. Yay. Go Sal. But anyways, yeah, so like a lot of times he will snap me out of it, or he'll say, well, let's go do something today together, or, you know, do you want to work on yard work? Which, by the way, I'm so proud because I have so many baby flowers growing, so that's so exciting. But yes, I don't know, it just feels like some days I'm like really down and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And other days, I'm like pumped, ready to go. And I wanted to dedicate this weekend to me saying, I'm going to take this weekend and I'm going to be healthy. I'm going to be good minded. And honestly, that's the best advice that I guess I could give, is to try and trick yourself into believing that everything's okay, because everything's not going to be okay. Like, I attempted to do this vlog, and this is my first vlog. I had no idea what I was doing. There's like a lot of funny stuff in here that you guys wouldn't get because of the fact that it's muted and I'm speaking over it. But I did want to experience the vlog, but I also wanted to talk about, you know, my weekends, because they don't always look this great. They don't always look this fun. Sometimes, you know, I have quiet weekends. Sometimes I have fun weekends. The other weekend I went to the club. Like, you know, you'll never know with me. So I definitely just wanted to let you guys know that there's other people out there dealing with things that don't get that flavor smoothie, by the way. It's a dragon fruit. Anyways, there's other people out there that's dealing with things. There's other people out there that feel like, oh my God, life is so overwhelming, but don't, you know, succumb to those feelings. Don't fall under the shadow of life is too hard. It's always going to be hard, because, you know, you never know. You might win the lottery tomorrow. You might, you know, become famous next week. You might, you know, pass that test or whatever it is that you want to do or you're trying to do. It could happen. It could fall into your lap. So don't allow certain things to get you off guard. By the way, guys, that video of me talking just now was like me hitting my nails. But anyways, don't let basically life get you off track. Don't let the stress of it all, the hecticness, don't let that affect how you feel every day, okay? Because at the end of the day, you are going to have to keep moving, and not because you have to, but because you have to. So not because there's a law or a rule book that says you have to, but because you have to. You have to beat it. And even if you're not a competitive person, you have to make it so. You know what I'm saying? Because me, I don't think I'm very competitive, but I know that, like, being sad or being depressed is not all life has to offer me. I'm 23 years old. I want to do nice things. I own a home. I have my own car. I have a husband. Like, these are things, like, you know, I have 2 dogs. Like, these are things that I feel like are very important to me. And in a sense, I am important to those things too. I mean, I still have a family, but you know what I mean? My household that's what's going on. So guys, thank you so much for watching. The video's not over, but I'm just gonna let some music play. But just know that, you know, I'm here, people are here. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you feel like you can understand. And even if you can't understand where I'm coming from, maybe share the video, and maybe one of your friends that are going through something needs to hear this positive information. But every day is not going to be aesthetic. Every day is not going to be positive. But that doesn't mean that tomorrow will not be, okay? Like, my weekend was aesthetic, but Monday I'm going back to a job that is not my favorite job in the world. And that's not aesthetic. It's giving very much like black and white, old-fashioned TV. So just keep going, because tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow's always going to be better. But yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing weekend. And look at my babies. Oh my gosh. There's so many of them. Ah! I am so cry right now, but yeah. Bye, guys.